You left him in the car.
I left the vehicle running. I just had to pee.
No. You don't drink at all?
No.
You never drink at all?
No.
Really?
Where the is the straight line?
Relax.
No. You.
All right.
Do you know your right from your left?
Yeah, apparently I don't.
These aren't just bad drivers. These are parents who allegedly forgot the kids were even there. We are counting down the most insane DUI stops that make you wonder, who's watching the back seat? Welcome to After Hours, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Jesse Weber.
I took her.
Took her in the pub?
Yeah, I just had shoes.
You didn't take him?
No.
You left him in the car.
I left the vehicle running. I just had to pee.
Okay.
We begin this episode of After Hours in Port Charlotte, Florida, where a deputy pulls up to a pharmacy parking lot. The call came from a nearby pub. A witness said this woman, Amanda Patton, walked in with a toddler, allegedly seemed, quote, messed up, and then got back in the car with two kids inside.
Do you have another unit in that, please? Hello. Hope I go with the Sheriff's Office Traffic Safety Team. Reason I'm stopped at the Infinity is we had a call about your vehicle. They were concerned about your ability to operate a vehicle. Is everything okay? Right. Have you had anything, alcohol or anything to drink today? All right. Are you on any medications prescribed by a doctor?
Well, anxiety.
Okay. What?
Yeah.
How much have you had today? We're right in the middle of the pharmacy.
It's fine.
Yes.
It's fine. Last night.
Okay. All right. What were you doing up at Charlie's Pub?
I stopped because I had to use the restroom.
Okay. Okay. Well, they're the ones that called. They were concerned about you being able to drive safely. All right. So I have another vehicle coming. How come you didn't, when I got out of the car to walk up to you, you didn't, you just took off on the access right there? Or did you not even see me?
No, I stopped as soon as I
No. No, I was behind you when you were at the stop sign. I was walking up to your car and you took off. Okay.
Sorry.
The deputy starts asking about the kids, and that is when things go from bad to worse.
All right. Well, like I said, right now I'm just waiting. How old is the little baby?
She's 2 and he's 7.
Oh, okay.
I took her.
Took her in the pub?
Yeah, I just had shoes.
You didn't take him?
No.
You left him in the car.
I left the vehicle running. I just had to pee.
Okay. Right, I'm gonna get my form. Can you get her out real quick? Sure. Tab 313's out with me. I'm gonna do field sobriety, but she's got 2 babies in the car too, so I'm about to wait for a third to get here to watch them while I do her. At this time, ma'am, I am concerned about your ability to operate a vehicle safely. I'm seeing a couple of clues and indicators that believe me to be that you may not be able to operate it safely. That I'm going to ask you to submit to field sobriety to make sure you're able to operate your Infinity safely today, okay? Will you do the exercises I'm going to ask of you?
I will.
All right.
The deputy walks her through the test, step by step. Then he says, go. And she goes, and keeps going, and keeps going.
All right, Miss Patton. This white line that you're standing on, do you see it?
Yes, sir.
Do you consider it a fairly straight line?
I do, sir.
Is it free of any debris that could cause you to trip?
No, sir.
It's not what's on it that could cause you to trip?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, I asked, is it free of any debris?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. I see that you're wearing sandals.
Sir.
Would you like to take those off and do it barefoot, or are you comfortable with your sandals?
I'm comfortable with my sandals, sir.
All right. What I'm going to do, ma'am, is this time I want you to put your left foot directly on the line. Take your right foot, place it directly in front of left like mine, arms at your side. Stay in that position. Do not start until I tell you to begin.
Sir.
When I tell you to begin, though, Miss Patton, you're going to take a series of steps, counting your steps out loud like such.
There is
1, 2, 3. You're going to go all the way to 9. Upon reaching 9, you're going to leave that lead foot in place. You're going to take that back foot. You'll step out, make a series of steps, turning all the way around. You're then going to return back down the line another 9 steps like such. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and assume the position. Right foot in front of left. All right, nope, don't start yet. Wait till I tell you to start. So left foot on the line, right foot in front of left, touching heel to toe. Right foot in front of left. Are you ready?
Yes, sir, I am ready. I'm sorry. Yes, sir, I am ready.
All right, put your right foot in front of left. That's the starting position. Now begin.
Yes, sir.
He sends her back the other way, same test, and can you guess the result?
Miss Patton, do you remember the instructions?
One in front of the other for nine
Yep.
steps?
And then turn and go back 9, right?
Okay.
How many steps did you take?
I didn't count. I'm
Okay.
sorry. Do you want me to start again?
No, just continue back the other way. Come back there. How many steps was that?
Honestly, I guess it's back.
Okay. All right.
I can do it again.
No, we're fine.
Now, the next few tests seem simple enough, so what could go wrong?
All right. The next exercise is called the one-leg stand.
Sir.
Okay. When I tell you to, you're going to take the foot of your choice and you're going to raise it approximately 6 inches off the ground.
Sir.
It's going to look like this. Your foot will be parallel to the ground, your arms will be straight, your legs will both be straight. 6 inches is like a Coke can. Think about resting your foot on top of a Coke can.
Sir.
You're going to count out loud in the manner of such. 1001, 1002, 1003. You're going to continue to count until I say stop. I'm not going to tell you how long I'm going to have you do it for, but I will tell you that I'm about to do it longer than I'm going to have you do it.
Sir.
If at any time you lose your balance or anything like that and have to put your foot down, regain your composure, pick that foot back up, and continue counting where you left off.
Sir.
So if you have to put it down on a 5, when you pick it back up, make sure we start counting again at 6.
Sir.
All right. Again, both legs are to remain straight. Foot is parallel to the ground, 6 inches off the ground. Arms are at your side. You're looking at your foot, and you're counting out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on.
Sir.
Any questions on what I'm asking you to do?
No, sir.
Do you have what foot do you want to stand on, and what foot do you want to raise?
I'm going to stand on this, but can you block the wind? It's actually very strong.
It is
right
windy.
now.
Like I said, I did just do it, but what I could do, I mean, I can stand to the side, but what I need you to do is.
I have no problem standing here. I just want you to
Yeah,
block it.
no. Do you have any physical handicaps or ailments that keeps you from doing this?
No, sir.
All right. So you're going to stand on your left and raise your right.
Sir.
All right. Tell me when you're ready.
Ready.
Begin. And you can stop. Miss Patton, the last exercise is called the finger to nose. So what I need you to do is take both your fingers like this, index fingers. Now put them at your side, palms forward like mine. Remain in that position until I tell you to start. When I tell you, let's switch sides so the sun's not in your eyes. I'd rather have the sun in my eyes. When I tell you to start, you're gonna have your head tilted back and your eyes shut. My eyes are staying open to watch you, but your eyes will be shut, okay?
Yes,
if
sir.
I say left, I'm gonna call out a series of lefts or rights.
Sir.
If I say left, it's straight up, tip of the nose, tip of the finger, and right back down to your side.
Sir.
I will not remind you to put it down.
Sir.
If I say right, it'll be the exact same. Straight up, tip of nose, tip of finger, and right back down to your side.
Sir.
So we're clear, that's the tip of the finger. Not
Yes.
the nail, not the pad, not the sides.
Yes, sir.
If this is your nose, and that's the bridge, and those are your nostrils, it's literally the tip to tip. So it's like this. Nope, like this. Straight on, and
So,
then right down.
this.
This. Just
This.
like that. Yes, ma'am.
So, turn it around to my...
Yep, to your nose and right back
Sir.
down to your side.
Sir.
All right, Miss Patton, head back, eyes shut, left, right, remember the instructions. Remember the instructions.
This?
You gotta put your hand down.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, sir.
Left, right, right, left. All right. I got one last exercise. It's a balance exercise.
Sir.
Face that stop sign real quick. I'm going to explain how to balance for you real quick in a minute.
Meanwhile, another deputy tries to entertain Patton's kids.
CF.
Yeah, that's your unicorn. What's its name? Is that your brother? He's crying. What's your brother's name? What happened? A boo-boo? In my hair? Yeah, I got a couple of those. What you watching? Sing? He's crying. How old are you? Uh-oh. Are you watching Sing? It's my favorite movie. Yeah, he's crying. What's his name? What is it? Are you trying to give me your unicorn? This is your unicorn, though. Do you want him? You want me to have him? Yeah? What's its name? Yeah. What's on your feet? You don't know? Yeah. That's my radio, so that's how I talk to people. That's how I talk to my coworkers. Yeah, pretty eyes. They're blue like mine. It's talking, yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna go make sure your brother's okay, all right? I'll be right over there, though, okay? I'm not gonna leave. I'm just gonna walk around to go over there, okay? I'll be right back. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi.
She fails. She's got questions. But the answers, they're on the medicine bottles.
Miss Amanda, at this time you're under arrest for DUI. Do you have somebody that can come get the children? Who can come get the children? All right, we need to call him. I don't want to have BCF have to come out here for him. What's your husband's phone number?
Tell me why I'm being cuffed.
You're being arrested for DUI. Driving under the influence. And that influence encompasses alcohol and medications. You're being arrested because you're not able to drive that vehicle safely. The clues and indicators you provided me during field sobriety are enough to affect the arrest on you. So we're going to go to my car. Nothing on you that's going to get you in trouble at the jail, drugs, weapons, or anything. Okay. Is there anything in the vehicle that's going to get you in trouble? Drugs, marijuana, weapons, anything? Hey, it's questions I have to ask.
I said no.
I know, and I'm just saying, it's just questions we have to ask. What's your husband's name?
Tell me what I failed?
It's not pass or fail, but I'll tell you that you gave me enough clues and indicators to arrest you.
Oh, did I?
Oh, yes, absolutely.
That I didn't tell you about have anything to do with this?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
All right.
If you look at your medication bottle, it says do not operate machinery.
No, and
absolutely.
that I didn't tell you about.
Okay. It could be. I'm not sure what that is, but the anxiety medications, absolutely, ma'am. Okay. Yeah. Okay. She'll be right back up. You gotta take a seat, Amanda. She said the husband. Traffic fire. So that should be the husband. We got a 2-year-old and an infant in the car. We need them to come out here. Do you want to I'm gonna start typing something real quick. Do you want to ask her if there's a parent, a grandparent?
Yeah.
We'll get anybody.
Yeah.
At this point, any relative is better than DCF.
According to court records, Amanda Patton was charged with DUI and child neglect. But a month later, without explanation, the state dropped every single charge. All right, we're going to jump right back into this in a minute, but before we do, I have to tell you about this app called Upside. This is a game changer. So Upside gets you cash back, yes, extra cash back on everyday purchases like gas, groceries, takeout. So here's what you do. You download Upside for free, you claim an offer at one of their 100,000 plus locations, and you pay like normal with your credit card. Then you verify the purchase, and just like that, money back. So say I needed to get gas or I want takeout one night, I'm going to search for Upside offers first, and after I spend, money will appear in my app that I can then transfer right into my bank account. And Upside's frequent users, they earn an average of $254 back a year. That's incredible. So to start getting your cash back, click the link in the description or scan the QR code and use promo code AFTERHOURS to get an extra 25 cents bonus on every gallon on your first tank of gas. Hope you can check it out.
Do you know your right from your left?
Yeah, apparently I don't.
All right.
You alright?
We head now to Boca Raton, Florida, where a pickup truck crashes with 2 young children inside. An officer makes contact with the driver, Joshua Petro, and he is visibly a disaster. He seemingly can't get his ID out of his wallet. He seemingly can't stand without holding on to his kids. Something is clearly wrong.
Please help!
Give me 1 or 2 more units for traffic. You all right, man?
Back there.
You good? Your back hurts? All right. The fire department's here, all right? You guys all right? You all right?
Here's Mom.
Hello? Are you coming?
Hey, man, you good?
Yeah.
You got an ID on you?
Yeah.
Where is it at?
Hurt everybody?
No.
You all right?
Yes,
You're scared? You sit in the back seat.
seatbelt it in?
Yes.
Okay.
My brother said it could hurt.
Okay. So two of you guys. Do you know your mom's phone number?
Yes.
All right.
Watch closely here. According to police, he's so impaired, he uses his own kid for support. Watch how that turns out.
All right. Looks like he just said. Yeah, we just. Yeah. Hey guys, do me a favor. Just like stand right over here, all right?
What I see, you won't put them in our truck.
Hey, you good? You good? You guys good? Anything hurt? No. No? Okay.
Joshua seemingly can't answer basic questions, so the officer turns to someone who can, the person he crashed into.
Yeah.
You want to go?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, he wants to go. Are you the registered owner to this vehicle?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so what happened?
He ran the red light.
Which way were you going?
I was going straight. He was coming from that way.
You're going straight which way?
This way.
From over there?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going this way?
Yeah.
He ran the red light and then T-boned you. Were you wearing your seatbelt?
Yes, I was.
How fast were you going?
I had just pulled off.
Okay, so 10 miles an hour, 15?
15.
Okay. Can I help you, sir?
Yeah, I got hit. I was parked there.
Okay. Where'd you get hit?
The pieces flew off the truck. They hit her and me.
Okay. Where do you guys have damage to your vehicle?
Yeah, look.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you.
This is unstuck.
I got you. Do me a favor. We're assessing them. You guys are injured or no?
No. Just
Do me.
scared.
I got you. Do me a favor. Just stay in your cars and I'll come get you. All right?
You want me to move behind him so not
Stay in your cars and I'll come get you. All right? Just do me a favor. Grab your ID, insurance, and registration. Okay?
The officer circles back to Joshua, hoping for answers, but somehow it's getting worse.
Yeah. Can you do me a favor? Can you grab his information real quick?
Yeah.
Just a phone number for him, please.
No. No.
What's up, man?
My kids.
Yep, they're with the fire department, all right? They're hanging out, they're sitting down, all right? Where are you coming from?
No.
What'd you say? They're getting checked out, all right? They're all right.
No. Just make sure.
We're making sure. Where were you before this, man?
Just make sure they were.
Where were you before this?
At the house.
At the house?
Yeah.
Okay, where are you taking them?
It's the grocery store.
Is there anything you got your seat?
Grocery store. That's it.
The grocery store?
Yeah.
Okay, which direction were you guys traveling?
This way.
What's this way? You guys were going east or west?
East.
You guys are going east?
Yeah.
Okay, where do you live?
Yeah. To the east.
You live to the east.
Then this comes in from his own kid, and police learn this isn't even the first time.
So his kid said he was like passing out behind the wheel, and the mom says he has a known alcohol problem.
Okay, yeah, I can smell it off of him. So, what's your first name again?
Josh.
Josh. All right, like I said, my name's Officer Bugalo with Boca PD. Okay, I've already asked you some questions about the crash. Okay, so can you just run me through again what happened with the crash?
Yeah. Now I just pulled through the green light, and he came through and
Which direction were you traveling?
south to north.
South to north?
Oh, sorry. East to no, sorry. West to east.
West to east.
West to east. Sorry.
Okay, do you remember which lane you were traveling in?
Right-hand lane, I believe.
Right-hand lane?
Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, and an impact, and
Okay.
I
Were you wearing your seatbelt?
yeah.
How fast were you going roughly?
The speed limit. I mean, we were at a stoplight, so we were.
Okay. And were your kids buckled in?
Yes.
Do you remember which kid was sitting in which seat?
Yeah. The right
All right, and anything else after the crash that you remembered?
No.
Okay. Did you lose consciousness at any point?
I guess kind of.
Kind of?
Yeah.
Before, while, or after the accident?
Kind of during.
During the accident? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, listen, so
I just wonder if my kids are good.
your kids are good. They're over there. They're getting seen by the fire department, okay? Okay, listen. Let me get him to conclude the traffic.
Right.
Josh, all right, I spoke to you before, okay? So let me just make this very clear, okay? So when you got out after the accident, we were conducting the traffic crash investigation. You informed me that you wanted to call your lawyer, okay? Since that has passed, the crash investigation concluded from Officer Ganthier. You remember that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and like I said, I'm conducting a criminal investigation moving forward for DUI, okay? Because I have reason to believe that you were driving impaired. All right, before you say anything else, I'm just going to read you something real quick, okay? I'm required to warn you. All right, how about let's sit you down? Let's sit you down. All right, Josh, I'm required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. You have a right to the presence and representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement and during any questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, you're entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement and during any questioning. If at any time there's an interview you do not wish to answer my questions, answer any of my questions, you're privileged to remain silent. I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make the statement. This must be of your own free will. Any statement can be and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand these rights that I read them to you? Josh, look at me.
Yes.
So you understand them?
Yeah.
Okay. I have reason to believe that you're driving impaired, okay? Would you be willing to conduct road sobriety tasks to dispel my alarm that you're driving impaired? What'd you say?
No.
No. Okay. Just understand that I have to make a decision based off everything that I've seen so far, okay? Everything from the crash up to now, okay? So...
There's no impairment.
I understand. So, would you like to conduct road sobriety tasks?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? All right, stand up and let's go over here to my car.
Now, here's the problem. What should be easy is about to look anything but.
So, stay right here, Josh, right here. Put your feet together, just like this, like you're touching, and your hands down at your side, okay? With your right index finger, can you show me your right index finger? Do you know your right from your left?
Yeah, apparently I don't.
Okay, can you show me your right index finger, please? This is your index finger, right? Okay. Josh, look at me real quick. This is your index finger, right?
I understand that.
Okay. Can you point to the tip of my pen, please, with your right index finger? So I know exactly that you know that my pen is the tip of the pen. Okay. All right, you can put your hands down at your side and your feet together like I said. Okay, what I'm going to have you do is the first task, okay? Josh, keep your feet together.
No, I got.
Your feet are not together, so keep them together so we can start. And your hands down at your side. Okay, so you're either going to listen to me or you're refusing to conduct the road sobriety tasks, all right? Which one is it?
Now, what choice do I have?
I just gave you the choices. You refuse, you help me dispel your alarm that you're driving impaired. Can you keep your hands out of your pocket, please? Do you wish to continue, yes or no? Okay.
No, it's don't.
You're done.
No,
You're done. Don't fight. Don't fight. Don't fight. You're done.
Don't resist, dude. All right. Again, just catch another charge on the reason. All right. I appreciate you being cool with me. Thank you very much. All right. Thank you.
Josh, you're under arrest for DUI, okay?
Dude.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Any narcotics?
No.
Anything in the car?
No.
Okay.
According to court records, Joshua Petra was charged with DUI causing property damage or injury, refusal to submit to chemical or physical testing, and a traffic signal violation. In the end, he was found guilty on the DUI causing injury charge and guilty on refusing to submit to testing. The remaining DUI counts were dropped and the traffic violation was dismissed. We're now in St. Augustine, Florida, where witnesses say they saw a white Mercedes sideswipe another car on a Florida road. No brake lights, no stop, just keeps on rolling.
How are you involved, man?
No, I was right here.
I was like
Me
right
and
here.
her. Yeah.
Okay.
The lady was going that way.
Okay. You got your ID on you?
I have a picture of
That's
her.
fine. Where'd the other car go?
He was driving that way.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that it would have been her mirror, like folded in.
Okay. So what happened? What did you see?
The white car just hit her.
Okay. How'd it hit her? Like sideswipe or?
Yeah, it looked like it, and then she just drove away.
Okay.
It was really weird because I wasn't paying attention, and then all of a sudden she just hit her.
Where were you at? Right over there. Did you see it? Or?
It was like a car or two behind me.
Okay. Did you see it?
It's a white Mercedes.
Then cops find this woman, Rachel Cunningham, and her babies in the back seat. Her story? She wasn't running. She was looking for someone.
Yes, sir. My baby's in the car, by the way. I was literally, when that happened, all I was trying to do was turn around. That's it.
Okay, why are you going back and forth trying to get out of here?
What's that?
Why are you going back and forth trying to get out of here?
No, I'm waiting to meet somebody.
Who are you waiting
My friend
to meet?
has a meeting, and I'm supposed to be meeting with him because I have stuff that I need to sell for my daughter's first birthday. He owns a vault, and he had meetings, so he said, wait around for me. I need you to wait because I have stuff that I'm selling to him. And so I turned, and then when that happened, I immediately turned in there. It was like, holy shit. And I needed to turn around. The guy was like, hey, are you stopping? I
Well,
said,
then how come when you turned into the Carmelo's parking lot, why did you leave?
No, sir. This is what happened. I hit, and I was going this way. And I immediately was like, all right, let me turn in here, where the police station is right here, this police station or whatever it is. And I went right there, and I turned around, right? And the gentleman was behind me, and he's like, what are you doing? Because I guess he had saw the same thing. And I said, hey, sir, I'm just turning around really quick. I'm going back through. And then there was traffic, and I was trying to, like, be able to take a left, but it was a whole mess. So what I did was I wound up turning into Carmelo's, and then turning onto that way through Carmelo's to take a right. And that's when I saw you guys, and I waved you guys down. And I saw you all passing, so I turned around to meet you.
What is your name? Okay.
I am so sorry. I was not trying to run away. I was just trying to, like, get back to the situation.
Okay.
And I didn't want to, like, reverse or get in another accident or God knows what.
But the car she hit is still back there. Police say she drove right by it.
Okay. When did you hit the other vehicle?
Like right up here.
Okay.
Like right in this distance.
So this is why this isn't making any sense, okay?
Okay.
Because the other vehicle you hit is way back there, okay? And it's disabled. It hasn't moved.
Okay.
So you hit it back there, not up here.
Yeah, well, okay, so wherever I hit it, it was in somewhere in this vicinity, right? You know how when something happens, you're in panic mode, everything's happening so fast.
Yeah.
I know I hit it right here.
Okay.
And I knew this was a straight line, and I couldn't turn in anywhere. That gate's closed. I didn't know where to turn. So all I could do is after that happened, the first thing I could think of was to turn into there.
Okay.
You know, I knew I was going to be turning eventually to get gas and something, and then I hit the car.
Okay.
And so I was like, all right, I need to make a turn, whether it be the left turn or the right turn. I needed to take a turn, and that was the easiest turn to make right there. And I was just to do a U-turn and come right back, which is exactly what I did. And then when I saw a few cop cars, I waved you guys down.
Okay.
I was not trying to run. I was not trying to
So
do
let me ask
anything like that.
Why didn't you stop right where you hit them?
What's that?
Why didn't you stop right where you hit them? Because when you're in a crash, you're supposed to stop right there.
Yeah, but there was cars everywhere.
Okay.
There were cars everywhere, and it was a mess. And I you know, like and when I hit that car was still going. And I didn't know what to do. I'm not really used to this, so I apologize. I may have not have done it the right way, but I definitely was not trying to run.
Gotcha. Okay.
Or do anything.
Right. That's fair. I just needed.
If next time if this were to happen, and I need to stop right where I am. Even if it's in a not the most safest road or anything, I will do that.
So usually,
like where I'm at right now, if I should have done that, I will do that next time.
So usually with crashes, what we tell people is, if you're able to move your vehicle, move it off to the side of the road, right where it happened. Okay. So the nearest parking lot, something like that.
So as close as possible.
Exactly.
Okay. Yep. And that was not as close as possible.
Not as close as possible. Right.
I get it.
Exactly. Okay.
It was safest for me because
I understand.
But
okay.
I get that, yeah.
Okay.
So the officer switches gears, asks if she's had anything to drink. Her answer? Quick and confident and very wrong.
So now let me ask you, you kind of already hinted towards it, but I have to ask questioning. Anything to drink today?
Nope.
No
not
alcohol?
Nope.
Okay. What about any kind of prescription meds?
Nope. Nothing.
Okay. Nothing, even Advil, Tylenol, like 800?
No, not. I was going to take a headache medicine earlier, but not even.
Okay. No antidepressants, no stimulants like Adderall, anything like that?
No narcotics. The only thing I take sometimes is like the which is just like all natural stuff.
Gotcha. Okay. All right.
And sometimes which is for but I haven't taken that in months.
Okay. All right. What about any kind of illicit drugs?
No.
Okay. So no legal drugs or illegal drugs?
No illegal drugs.
Watch your back.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay. All right. Perfect. So, like I said, I am conducting a DUI investigation. Are you willing to do some field sobriety exercises for me so I can make sure that you're not impaired?
Absolutely.
Okay.
But first, a quick reminder that she has rights and a 1-year-old watching from the back seat.
Okay.
So before I'm allowed to do that, before I can do that, I have to read your rights, because it was a crash.
Okay, may I ask what would, like, I just want to make sure that you guys are fair, that you guys don't consider me, like, blinking or, like, licking my mouth because my mouth is dry or something. Like, I literally, I kid you not, I have had not one drink, not one pill. I have had nothing.
Okay, perfect. And that's my job to make sure that that's true. Okay.
Okay. All right.
And I'll explain to you everything that I'm looking for, and if I see any indicators, I'll tell you what those are. Okay. But like I said, I do have to, since you were involved in a crash, and now I'm switching to a different investigation, I have to read you your rights. Okay. So at this point, you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court.
Okay.
You have the right to have an attorney with you prior to, during, or after any questioning.
Okay.
If you cannot afford an attorney and desire one, the court will appoint one for you.
Okay.
You may stop the questioning at any time.
I am going to be nervous doing it right here.
Okay. All right.
Let me.
Okay.
Sorry, I apologize.
You may stop the questioning at any time by refusing to answer further or by requesting to consult with your attorney.
Gotcha.
Okay. Do you understand each of these rights as I explained them to you?
Yes, sir.
Having these rights in mind, are you willing to answer a couple questions about the crash?
Yes.
Okay. So can you just tell me again, who was in your car when the crash happened?
Me and my daughter.
First exam, off to an unbelievable start.
First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check your eyes. Okay?
Okay.
So do me a favor, just put your feet together, arms down. You can stand over here.
Can I stand
there you go, right
block my face?
Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead and put your feet together, arms down by your side. Okay.
So embarrassed.
So I'm gonna hold my pen up and I'm gonna move it back and forth at different speeds. Okay.
And just keep my eye on the pen.
You're gonna follow the pen with your eyes and your eyes
I
only.
watch cops.
Okay?
I love cops.
Yeah, perfect. So try not to move your head at all.
Okay. Yes, sir.
At different points, I'm gonna pause and hold the pen perfectly still. Just keep your eyes right on the pen. Okay. So do me a favor, just arms by your side. Okay. You see the top of the pen?
Yes, sir. It is very front.
Yeah. Let's turn around so you're not looking in the sun.
Now she just has to stay on the line. She just has to not fall.
All right, so this next exercise is called the walk and turn, okay? So for this exercise, I'm going to give you the option to do it with your shoes on or off.
Okay.
Okay, what are you most comfortable with?
These are pretty, well, it depends on what I'm doing.
Okay, here,
balance, I
Okay.
really am bad at.
All right, here's the thing. I'll explain it, and then you decide, okay?
Okay.
So hold that for me.
Yep.
Don't let go.
Got it?
And go ahead and place it on the ground for me.
Is that good?
Perfect. Okay, so for this exercise, while I give you the instructions,
Yes.
I'm going to have you go ahead and place your left foot on that yellow line and place your right foot in front of it, touching heel to toe. And you're going to stand just like that while I give you the instructions, okay? When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps in the forward direction. You're going to count each step out loud, touching heel to toe and looking at your feet the entire time, okay? So I'll demonstrate what it'll look like, okay? So if your first step's with your left foot, it'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on to 9. Once you get to the 9th step, keep your front foot planted. Take a small series of steps to turn around. Take 9 heel to toe steps back. 1, 2, 3, and so on to 9. Okay, for demonstration purposes, I only did 3, but you're going to do 9.
And then
Okay?
You got it.
So remember, 9 there, do the turn just like I showed you.
Left first.
9 back. Okay, and then also remember this is a continuous exercise, so once you start, don't stop for any reason. Keep your arms down by your side, look at your feet, and count each step out loud. Okay.
So there, 9, turn around, 9, and do I keep going? And
Nope, just do it. 9 there, do this turn just like I showed you, 9 back.
Okay.
Do you understand the instructions?
Sure do.
All right, go ahead and begin.
Okay.
2449, so know the indicator was. Drop you on the front door and back area.
Very good. All right, this final exercise, let's scoot over so we can let him by real quick. No, we're going to let him go by, so. Okay, go ahead and come back and stand right at the edge of the line.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
so for this next exercise, it's called the one-leg stand.
Ooh,
so when I tell you to begin, not at all, go ahead.
Oh, I don't have hair. It's okay, it's okay.
All right. So go ahead and put your feet together, arms down by your side.
Yes.
When I tell you to, you're going to choose either your left or your right foot, okay? You're going to hold it approximately 6 inches off the ground, which is about the height of a soda can, which is what I'm doing right now. Okay, don't start yet. Don't do it yet.
Trying to see which
don't
one
do it yet.
better
Don't do it yet.
Sorry.
Okay. All right, so you're going to hold it approximately 6 inches off the ground, okay? You're going to look at your foot and count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
If for any reason you step down like that, just go right back up and keep counting where you left off.
Where I left off.
Okay? Make sure that during the exercise you keep your arms down by your side, look at your foot, and count out loud the entire time.
Okay.
Okay, do you understand the instructions?
Yes, sir.
All right, don't start yet. Do you want to lift your left or your right foot?
I will lift my right foot.
Okay, whenever you're ready, go ahead and begin.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
Okay, you can relax. Okay.
I'm so bad with balancing.
Okay, this next exercise has nothing to do with balance, so that's good.
Okay, good.
So do me a favor, put your feet together, arms down by your side.
Yes, sir.
Okay, when I tell you to, but not yet, you're going to tilt your head back and close your eyes. Okay? I'm going to say begin.
Okay.
After I say begin, you're going to estimate the passage of 30 seconds inside your head.
Okay.
What that means is once you believe 30 seconds has passed, you're going to open your eyes and say stop. Okay. It's important that you say stop. That way the clock stops.
Do you go by like one Mississippi?
Whatever you think 30 seconds is.
Okay.
However you think you can get there.
Okay.
Okay, it's just got to be all inside your head.
Okay.
Okay, so go ahead and feet together, arms down by your side. All right,
Feet together, arms down by my side, and I'm going to tilt my head back when you tell me to.
Don't start estimating yet, but go ahead and tilt your head back and close your eyes.
Okay, and then I'm not going to say anything, and I'll just say stop once I think it's 30 seconds.
After I say begin, you're going to stop. Okay. All right, ready, begin.
Stop.
Okay, how long is that?
I would say 29, 30 seconds.
Okay, and how did you get to that?
I did 1, 2.
Okay, perfect.
So police say they've got her. They're seeing the signs. And what does Rachel say is an excuse? Well, a better question might be, what did she not say?
So a couple more questions for you. I saw something what's called HGM, okay, horizontal gaze nystagmus. The only thing that causes that is either alcohol or depressants, so antidepressants, stuff like that, okay? So I'm going to ask you again, anything to drink today?
No.
No? Okay, no medicines, no pills, no prescriptions.
If you want me to be honest, I just recently went to Scotland. My husband's on deployment.
Okay.
I have power of attorney. And my husband, I'm not even supposed to be saying this.
Okay.
And I can even show you the power of attorney in my military card. So he's been on deployment for a long time. And they will allow us to do a court call, which means you're allowed to go visit.
Okay.
You're allowed to go visit. And so I went there to visit him.
Okay.
And it was literally 24-hour flight there.
Okay.
And then go in and stay here for a day and a half. And then 24-hour flight back. And then I got back. And then I had to pick up stuff for her 1-year-old birthday, and then plan her birthday, and then the whole world, their family, their mothers, I swear, like everybody.
Okay, but none of that answers the question.
I'm just saying, like, I've been exhausted. Okay. But yeah, no, I have not taken any medications.
Okay.
I have not. I promise you.
Gotcha.
I have a daughter.
Okay.
7, 8 years ago, I was not the best person.
Okay.
But since then, I have turned my life around.
Okay.
And there is not a thing in the world that would make me up to lose my daughter or get arrested. I just got off probation because I got a DUI like 4 years ago, and I just got off probation. The last thing I'm going to do is up.
Okay.
I promise you that.
Okay, do me a favor. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back real quick.
Oh, God.
So at this point, you are going to be placed under arrest.
What?
Okay. I do believe that you're impaired by some kind of chemical or controlled substances. Okay. No. So since I'm placing you under arrest for DUI, I'm going to request that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining alcohol content. You willing to take that breath test?
Yeah, but if I do, will it get dropped if I pass it?
I can't say whether or not anything will get dropped or charged or anything. However, what I can tell you is that if we do the breath test and you blow 000s or you blow low, then I'm going to request a urine sample as well. Okay, that'll show the presence of any kind of chemical or controlled substances. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's walk.
All right. Can I call my dad? I need to call my dad right now.
Can your dad come pick her up?
Yeah. I need to call my dad right now.
Hold on. We're gonna do that. What is he in your phone?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll take care of that.
But I need to call him right now.
We're gonna do that. Okay, we just have to take you back here to the car first for a second.
This is crazy.
So let's walk back here. Okay.
This is not fair. I've literally taken nothing. Is there a way that you can prove that I can take nothing and then
Yeah, so that's why
arrest me?
That's why we're gonna do all that stuff once we get up there. Okay, but we have to. We'll go. I'll let you know what the next steps are and where we're gonna go.
I know,
from here,
but
okay?
so what you're saying is, can I ask you a question?
Just hold tight. Let me get started on getting a hold of your dad. Okay. Is he in your phone as dad?
No, my phone's locked. You have to give me my phone. I have to unlock it.
Okay, I'll bring it back here.
And my baby. I need my baby.
Rachel Cunningham was charged with attempted child abuse, DUI with a person under 18, prior refusal to submit to testing, and leaving the scene of a crash involving damage. She was found guilty on those charges.
You don't drink at all?
No.
You never drink at all?
No.
Really?
Yes.
I thought you said you drank something 4 days ago.
Where the is the straight
Okay,
line?
relax.
No. You.
All right.
Next up, Boynton Beach, Florida, where Megan Lee Champion, driving in a white Lexus, swerves across 2 lanes, then makes a sharp left turn directly into the side of a school bus. Witnesses pull over, and they all have the same question.
Did you guys see what happened?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's gonna talk to you over here.
Okay. So I was right behind her.
Okay.
Okay, so we're coming, there's a bunch of cars.
Just wait for you. It's
Slow, and they're all like trying to get around her. And she's like, keeps kind of swerving lanes. And then I was like, man, I literally at one point was like, is this a kid driving? Because this was like ridiculous. And then all of a sudden, like, I'm coming up, I live in here, so I'm trying to turn in here, but I'm waiting.
Which lane was she in?
Between this one and this one. Because she was like,
lanes?
yeah, and then the cars kept trying to go around her. And then by the time we got here, I was the last one behind her. And I was like, well, I have to turn, so I'm just waiting for her to get out of the way. She comes into this lane like she's like, oh, like, I don't need to go here. Like, she's gonna go straight. So I was like, oh, cool, maybe she's gonna go that way and go that way, whatever. But she came up this way, and then she just turned left, like a sharp left, and tried to, like, gun it. But he was already halfway through. She T-boned into half of it. He was already halfway through the intersection. So then I go up, I'm like, are you okay? I mean, she's definitely on something, whatever. That's not my business. But she was all over the road. And I was like, dang, is this like a child driving this car right now? Like, I almost was like, thought it was a kid. That's how bad it was.
The officer walks up to Champion, and it takes about 3 questions to realize something is very wrong.
Hello.
Hi.
Thank you. Are you okay? Huh? You know where you are?
Yes.
How old are you? You know where you are? Huh? Where's that at? Okay. I'll be back, okay? Stay over here. You guys know that hurt, right? Okay. Yeah, she's impaired.
Yeah.
When the officer asks what happened, her answer is technically correct, just not very detailed.
All right. Do you remember what happened at all?
Yes.
Sure, what happened?
I had an accident.
Yeah, how did that happen? Huh?
I crossed over.
Okay, why did you cross over? Are you going somewhere around here, or?
Yes.
Which direction
to
were you?
my boyfriend's house.
Okay, all right. Does he live in here?
Yes.
Okay. Are you injured?
No.
No, you're not hurt? You want to go to the hospital?
The officer gets her out of the car, and that's where the emotion hits.
Ma'am, can you step out for a second? Because we got to tow your car, okay? Because I'll help you. Go ahead. I'll hold it for you. I'm going to take a picture of that license. Go ahead and I'll hold it for you. All right, let's walk back this way, okay? Stay right here. You can stay right here. Okay. Nothing hurting you? No? No leg injuries? You didn't hit your head? I don't see any visible injuries, so I'm just making sure you're fine, okay?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I want to make.
Are you serious?
Your daughter's getting checked up right now, okay? So she's in good hands, okay?
Okay. Can we let's walk over here around so people don't hit you. Okay? Can we walk around you? Just go behind so we can protect you from traffic.
Can you guide me?
Huh?
Can you guide me?
Can I guide you? Sure. Okay. I can. Let's do it here. Right here is fine. Okay.
The officer starts asking basic questions, and she's trying, but trying isn't the same thing as answering.
Talk to me. What's going on?
Did you take anything?
No.
What? Because I can tell, ma'am. We can tell that.
No, I haven't.
When was the last time you had a drink?
I haven't taken anything.
Okay. I'm talking about alcohol.
No, I haven't taken anything.
You still didn't answer my question.
No, I am answering your question. I haven't taken anything.
Okay. Because Megan, I asked you haven't been able to tell me what your address is.
3. My address,
Not yet. I'm just gonna see.
Are you injured anywhere? Are you able to answer that? Are you injured anywhere?
I'm not
You're not?
injured
Okay.
anywhere.
Okay.
And I am so sorry. I am trying.
I just want to know, Megan, if you were taking anything, if you were drinking anything.
No.
When was the last time you had a drink?
Like 4 days ago.
4 days ago?
Yes.
Where were you coming from?
I have not. I was picking up my kid, and I have not taken anything, and I am so
Do you take
sorry.
prescription medications?
Yes.
And that's it?
Yes.
No, you don't take any.
Yes, you can look
No,
at
that's
my. I take for, and I am so sorry.
The reason we were asking you these questions, ma'am, because
I understand.
you've given us all the indicating that you are under the influence of a substance. Okay? Not only you're acting your driving pattern when you were driving over the road according to 2 people that saw you driving and you crashed into the bus. Not only that, I'm just observing you right now. You are extremely lethargic. You look like you're about to fall asleep.
I
Okay?
understand.
You're slow to react. Your pupil,
I
your eyelids
understand.
Okay.
Here.
Slow in your words, okay? That's why I'm asking you all these
understand.
questions. So, if you took, I don't know if you was, I don't know if
No.
it's your alcohol.
I don't.
You
No.
don't drink at all?
No.
You never drink at all?
No.
Really?
Yes.
I thought you said you drank something 4 days ago.
That was like. No.
Okay.
But
So
I am telling you,
so what did you have to drink?
this was weeks ago.
Okay, what was it?
I am telling you, I don't drink currently.
Okay.
And I have been.
Take your time. It's okay. We don't want to. We just want to make sure you're okay and okay. Your pupils are extremely pimple.
Yes.
Are they normally how they are? Your pupils?
I
Is your
am
license?
trying to.
Do you have
get
anything that's supposed to have in your car?
No, there's nothing in my car. I'm not worried about that.
Do you have?
No. Yes.
Okay. Do you?
No.
Okay.
I do have.
You take?
Yes.
Okay. And what else? What's the other medication you said you took?
I am taking. And
Okay. When was the last time you see a doctor?
less than a week ago.
So you didn't hit your head at all today, right? In the crash?
Maybe.
And when the airbag deployed, did you hit your head? You mind if I
Yes.
look? You mind if we look to see if you have any bumps and everything? So you can go ahead and look.
Does she know what day it is, what year, any of that stuff? Or
So you're not sure if the airbag hit you on the road?
Do you know,
I'm
do you know what
fine.
today's date is?
September 4th. I'm
Do you know
fine.
what year it is?
2025.
Who's the president?
4.
Oh.
Yeah, see, you're not even, you're having a hard time even answering simple questions.
Who's the president?
Not Trump.
Okay.
While the officer is trying to figure out what's wrong, Champion is trying to figure out why everyone keeps asking.
I mean, we are doing a deal on there, but I don't know what you guys...
Yeah, I mean, she's refusing.
I didn't refuse.
No, I asked you if you were okay and if you needed medical treatment. You said you were okay, you're not injured.
refuse.
Either way, we got to take her to the hospital,
Right.
but yeah, I'll let you
I
guys do your
didn't
thing.
refuse.
Man, I stated that you said that you were not injured. You told us you have no injuries.
Are you injured?
What's...
Are you injured?
I didn't refuse.
Okay, did you listen to questions
that's
that
not what
she's
we
asking
said.
you?
He
Look at
asked
her
you, are
pupils.
you injured? Are you
Yeah,
injured?
No.
Okay, so that's basically what he's stating right now. That you
No,
told them.
but he just said, are you injured? And I didn't refuse.
No, I'm saying that you said you are not injured.
Right? Are you injured?
No.
Okay.
Right, that's what we stated.
That's what he's asking you. Do you need to go to the hospital?
No.
Okay, that's what we established already. So then we were establishing your mental state. So we were asking you questions.
What's wrong? Talk to me.
Do you understand? They have to make sure they assess you correctly before, so they can do their job.
I just want to make sure you're fine.
Do you want to be medically assessed?
Like I said, either way, we have to take her. She's under the influence, so she had no choice. She's gonna have to go to the hospital either. Which you guys are with us once we turn 15 o'clock. Okay. So we have to clear her regardless. So I'm probably gonna take her to Bethesda.
Are you going to take her in yours, or you want us to take her with somebody?
I mean, we can take her once
Okay.
we finish.
We'll-
Once she finish her investigation.
We'll see again if she will let us
Okay.
take her vitals.
Okay.
And then we'll go from there if she
Okay.
lets us take her vitals.
That's fine. Make sure there's nothing in there.
If you're okay.
Just double check, make sure there's nothing in
Make sure
there.
you're medically okay.
So
And I'm just trying to find out.
she says she doesn't want to go. So just ask her because would she
I
be willing
didn't
to do
say
some field
anything.
sobriety? No. Would she be willing to do some field sobriety exercise too? Because you believe everybody can see it.
Yes. Would we do it over?
No, she wants to do it.
So, would you be willing to do a field sobriety exercise? Just
So we can, because we believe that you're under the influence of.
Let's
of
go.
substance. Would you be willing to do some field sobriety
Yes.
exercise here?
The officer tries to start the sobriety test, but there's one small problem. Where's the straight line?
Ma'am, come over here real quick. Do you wear glasses?
I have contacts.
You have contacts now?
Yep. We're not going to do it here.
Yes, we are.
No.
We can't.
No.
You don't want to do it?
No.
Where would you like to do it?
Where's the straight line?
Well, don't worry about that. We'll get to that.
No.
careful. There's.
Hold on, don't go in the traffic,
Bro,
okay?
like, where's the straight line?
We have a tape. We're gonna put a tape on the ground for the straight
Let's
line,
go.
okay? You gotta hold on. Where you going?
No.
Come over here.
No.
Okay.
Straight line. Let's go.
That's the next step.
Straight line. Let's go.
Careful. Watch it.
Watch it.
Whoa.
Come over here, please.
Oh my
Let's
God.
move over here. Let's move over here. Move. Can you take my car and move over here? Ma'am, stop.
Bro. Straight line.
Stop.
Straight line.
Come on. Hold on.
Oh my God.
We're done. We don't need to do this. This is clearly she's gonna fight.
Straight line. Straight
We're done. Done.
line.
We're done. Hey, we're gonna go to the hospital.
Straight line.
We're done. So she's going. Can you put your gloves on? Just pat her down.
Straight line. Where the is the straight
Okay,
line?
relax.
No. You.
All right.
Where the
Relax.
straight line? Where the is the straight line? Where
I don't want to
the
come down.
is the straight line? I'm not doing anything.
Step out. Stay right here.
Rude. I didn't literally do anything. I was just telling you.
Hold on.
Ow!
There you go. Stay right there. It doesn't hurt.
I'm not
Megan Lee Champion was charged with DUI causing property damage or injury. She was found guilty.
Just watch the kid.
We got lots of calls where we had multiple cars.
Really?
That you ran a red light and you were swerving.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We're off now to Lumberton Township, New Jersey, after police received multiple reports of a vehicle swerving across lanes. Officers made contact with Gina LaPlaca, a local township committee member, and she is still sitting in the driver's seat with a child in the vehicle.
How are you, ma'am? Our cameras are on, all right? I said our cameras are on. All right. We just gotta let you know that. You all right?
Yeah.
Okay. We're just getting reports that you were swerving all over the roadway. You okay?
Oh, I'm sorry.
You all right?
Yes.
Hi.
Let's go inside, honey.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am. Go to the house, buddy.
You all right?
Yes, I am.
I'm struggling to stand a little bit.
I'm good. Thank you.
Oh, you okay?
Yes, I am. Thank you.
Sure? Have you had anything to drink or anything like that?
No, I'm good.
You just watch the kid.
We got lots of calls where we had multiple cars.
Really?
That you ran a red light and you were swerving.
Oh, I'm sorry.
The first thing officers notice isn't what she says, it's what they're seeing on the car itself.
What happened in your mirror here?
That's not good.
What happened? Was it like this?
Yeah, that's a...
What about this here? Did you hit something on the way here?
Yeah.
What'd you hit? Where at?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Where you come from?
From school?
School. Where's the school? Have you had anything to drink?
Yeah.
Where at? It's all right. I mean, luckily you're not hurt or anything like that.
No. No.
All right. So, would you mind doing some tests for us?
Pardon me?
Would you mind doing some tests for us?
Sure.
And now this quickly turns into a full field sobriety evaluation, the kind that doesn't need an explanation for how it ended up.
Come on out to the roadway here. So we're on a flat surface.
I'm sorry.
No problem. Can you look at me? Pull your glasses down.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. All right. Do you have anything, any medical issues or anything that affect your eyes? All right. I want you to take a look at the tip of my pen.
Okay.
Good. And just follow it with your eyes. Don't move your head. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. The next test I'm going to have you do is called the walk and turn test. Okay? So you're gonna don't start the test until I tell you to do so. Okay? You're gonna stand with your feet together like this. Okay? Hands down at your side. You're gonna put your left foot in front of your right foot. Okay? Just like this, heel to toe. Okay? All right. You're just gonna stay in that position. I'm gonna explain and demonstrate the test, and then we'll go from there. Okay?
Okay.
All right. You understand so far?
Yep.
Okay. So what you're gonna do from that position, you're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps going forward, counting out loud. 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. When you get to step 9, you're going to leave your front foot forward, take a series of small steps, turn around, take 9 heel to toe steps back. 1, 2, 3, until you get to 9. You can keep your hands down at your side, look down at your feet, and count the numbers out loud. 9 going down, 9 coming back. Okay?
Okay.
You understand the instructions?
Yes.
Okay. You may begin.
Sorry.
It's okay. Okay. Did you hit 9 yet? No, it's okay. You want to take 9 steps coming back? Okay. Okay. All right. Stop. All right. The next test we're going to do is the one leg stand, okay?
Okay.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna stand with your hands at your side,
Okay.
your feet together, just like you do now. Don't start the test until I tell you to do so. Don't start until I tell you to do so. What you're gonna do is you're gonna lift any foot of your choice up approximately 6 inches off the ground, okay? You're gonna keep your foot parallel to the ground, like that. You're gonna look down at your toe. Don't start until I tell you. It's okay.
Sorry.
You're gonna look down at your toe, and you're gonna count 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. Okay? So again, just to recap, you're gonna have your hands down at your side, feet together, pick one leg up, any leg, your choice, up 6 inches off the ground. Count 1001, 1002, all the way until I tell you to stop. I'm gonna time it in just 1 second.
Okay.
All right, you may begin. Forget to count them out loud. Remember your hands down at your side.
Sorry.
It's okay. Okay, you can stop.
She finally tells them what they need to know, and it's not complicated, but it's just enough to change everything in an instant.
Just not, being honest with you. So, I mean, how much have you had to drink today?
I don't know.
All right. What did you drink?
A little vodka. Sorry.
Look, we're just doing our job, so.
No, I know you are.
All right, so like this time we have to place you under arrest for driving while intoxicated. Okay. Officer Camacho,
You said. Rob's a good guy. Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, do you want to back my car?
Central 1330 is going to have one adult female in custody.
You want my car?
Yep.
One adult female in custody at
Step over here.
3 hours.
Back my car. Passenger side. Do you have anything in your pocket for anything?
Yeah.
I'm going to do a light search of you, okay? And do it with the back of my hand. I'll just take silent.
Go around to the other side, so go around to the other side here, because her son's right here.
No, two of the strongest, so I'll do it.
3413. So 0 clear to August 12 Nottingham.
Step back.
Hey there, Berzak.
I know, that's okay.
Now the focus shifts from the driver to the car.
He just said that she's on like a whole bunch of meds.
Okay.
Like it's like messing her up.
Okay.
So I don't know if you want to search the car. I'd see if the meds are in here. And we can search there.
Just grab her driver's license.
That's all we really need, her phone. He said he's not. I don't know if there's meds in here or anything like that. Okay. We can just look for the meds in here. Did she say she had alcohol?
Yes.
She did?
Yeah.
Bring
Okay.
it over.
All right.
Yeah. Okay, that's it right there.
Oh, that's alcohol?
She said she drank vodka, so.
Yeah, that's a mixture of something. Maybe that and the mixture of the
We'll search for the box.
Is she gonna blow?
I don't know. All right. I don't know what this accident or the damage is from neither, so I don't know.
And from the outside, the story gets clearer. A witness describes it for police. A car drifting, crossing lanes, leaving the roadway again and again.
This was after she had gone fully into this lane like 3 times, but like she went up on the grass a couple of times. Yeah, I recorded her for a little while.
That's way out there too. That's not even at main highway yet.
This was all the way down.
Where was this at?
So this was from
That's
Del
by
Ran.
Lockheed Martin right there.
So I followed her all the way from like Del Ran.
Did you ever see her hit anything?
No, but I know her mirror was hanging off. I don't know if she hit something earlier, but yeah, like at some point, it's still just a lot of swerving. But then up here it gets to the point where like fully off.
Did you get her going through any like stop signs or red lights by chance?
No, she stopped at everything, but then like almost hit that.
God. Yeah, she almost hit the pole.
At one point, she did almost hit another car.
Could you tell if the kid was secure? Like, was he?
Yeah, he was. No, he was in the thing. I saw like I didn't realize there was a kid in the car until like we were at the red light turning left on the 38, and I saw like the hand come up. I was like, oh, there's a kid in the car.
Yeah.
At the hospital, the final pieces come together. What started on the roadside ends in paperwork and penalties.
Okay, am I being charged with something? Is there a reason why I'm still here?
So you're getting released right now. I gotta let you know my body camera's back on. But since your blood alcohol level was so high, we have to take you to the hospital. So all they're gonna do is just check you out, and then most likely you'll just be released.
Okay.
All right. So the ambulance is here. They're gonna take you over.
All right, please.
All right. And then I'm waiting for the other officer so we can explain the tickets, but I'll uncuff you for now.
Is my son okay?
Yeah, your son's fine. He's with me. Hold on. You're good. Just stand by real quick. Ready? Just let her know your body camera's on again.
Just let you know my body camera's on. I'm going to support your citations today. You're going to have to work here for all. I know it says when someone needs to pay, you can pay them, they'll pay. You have the court date on here at the bottom. Has all the information on there. You're obviously getting 450 driving while intoxicated. And then your license was expired, your driver's license expired, so you get a citation for that. And you open the container in your vehicle, you have a water bottle filled with alcohol in it, and you had a little shot glass, whatever it was. And then we received multiple videos of you swerving in and out of traffic or breaking the center line, the fog line, so you get a ticket for that.
Gina LaPlaca was charged with 4th-degree child abuse and driving under the influence. She pleaded guilty to both charges. She was sentenced to 3 years of supervision under a pretrial intervention program for first-time offenders.
Because you just left your kids with an Uber, and we're all over town looking for you.
And yes, I felt very vulnerable not knowing where the hell my kids were at.
We end this episode of After Hours in Miami, where a Florida mom reportedly orders an Uber to take her and her 2 kids home from karate class. But instead of getting out at her front door, police claim she gets out in the middle of nowhere and just disappears.
What's going on?
Good evening. I'm Uber driver. So a request, I took the lady with the
her 2
children.
kids?
Yes.
From where?
Right here,
In Tamarack?
I don't know exactly the address, really.
But on the other,
Yeah.
not over here, but
No. Because
across commercial.
Because the lady said, give me a 2 minute around. Okay, let me
What's up, guys?
So, I say, no, the address, going. No, the GPS is at the left. No, at the right. No, please, lady, you are wrong. Please. No, please, cancel. I give you extra money.
Spanish speaker.
Give me some money. Yeah, give me 10 bucks. Give me, bring me to this address.
Where did you bring her?
Here.
Where is she?
She went to, I don't know, she was walking over there. I think all this warehouse.
She just walked over there?
Yeah, over there, between the cars. I was calling her. She was answer me. I'm okay. I'm back. I'm coming. Also, look. How many calls? 12 calls.
What does she look like?
It's a petite girls.
Okay.
Like a Spanish.
Okay.
Hispanic people. We have the dresses like a brown one beige.
Okay.
Both. So also I send a message to Craig.
And you've been here for how long?
More than 2 hours.
Right here.
Yes. I don't move because I have.
Yeah, you have.
So, Emily, please come to pick up your children. They are asking for you. I send the because she is drunk. I think maybe she don't know where.
Yeah.
Emily, I will call the police. I have to leave. Please answer the phone.
Nothing.
Nothing. Look.
So mom, she's allegedly missing in action, but her kids still in his back seat.
You said you think she was drunk?
She's drunk.
Okay.
Give me.
What's up, guys?
She let the smell. It's wrong.
Okay.
She was wrong. I saw her. I told her. Hey, come here. Look. That's wrong. Let me take you home.
Yeah.
No. Please. Let me take you home. Look, your babies.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Please. Cancel.
Okay. Give me 1 second. We're gonna.
Don't play with the gun. You touch me. No, please.
What's up, guys? Hi. What's up? Hey. Come on. Ooh, ow. You guys are too strong. You're too strong. You eat your vegetables, that's why. You eat your vegetables? Yeah? You eat them? How old are you? You know? You 3? Oh, 3? You're a big boy. You're strong. You're 4? Oh. What's your name? Do you know your name? He was able to explain it to me, but about 2 hours ago, or a little bit more now, he picked some lady up out of Tamarack.
Yeah, because took the trip maybe 8:20
Yeah.
or something. Yes.
She gave him an address. She kept telling him deviating from what the GPS was saying. She goes, just cancel the ride, I'll give you extra cash, give him like $10, and tells him pretty much ends up here. She gets out of the car, walks through the lot, disappears. Appears to be intoxicated. She was drinking out of a cup. You smell remnants of rum. No clue where she is right now. Just left the kids. Obviously, she doesn't know this gentleman. He's just an Uber driver, and walked off.
Somewhere out there, a mom is allegedly wandering around, and her kids are waiting for her to come back.
Let's hit this hard. She's got to be somewhere in here. She just walked in, and he was like, what am I going to do? Like, I got the kids. He says he drove over, didn't see anybody. He's like calling her. She was initially answering, and stopped answering. But he's like, he was telling her, like, you're drunk.
Where did you pick her up from?
Yeah.
From her house you take her?
No,
Restaurant?
Like a plaza with bars in.
Yeah. So start I'm not gonna game plan it, but canvas. Yeah. Start canvassing, take it by sectors and figure out what we got.
Take the plaza where the pumps are, and just cut it east a little bit. Get the gas station, commercial, shit like that.
Yeah. Get it, stretch it as wide as we need to. Hispanic female, maybe about 5'2"-ish, wearing a dress, maybe beige and maroon with boots, and possibly intoxicated. Let me start hitting too. Let me drive. You guys you're staying here, right, with the kids?
2 hours later, they find her, and it's not where you would expect.
Take your hands out your pockets for me. Do you have 2 kids? Were you just in an Uber with your 2 kids? Yeah, 5. I'm through 5 with her, just east of the McDonald's in the Publix Plaza off Knott Hill and Commercial. Just do me a favor, sit down there. Sit down.
Okay, but why are you treating me like that?
Because you just left your kids with an Uber and we're all over town looking for you.
My phone died.
It doesn't matter. Do me a favor and sit down. What's in the backpack? Any weapons or anything like that?
No.
Okay, do me a favor, take it off and just set it to the side. Don't go in it, just set it to the side.
Oh my God. Wait. Don't make me feel like a criminal.
You left your kids for 2 hours. It's been over 2 hours. Do you know where you left them at? Where did you leave them at? Where were you going? Huh? So you were just gonna leave the Uber and walk home?
Not walk home, but listen, my situation is like a little bit complicated.
I understand that, but your number one priority should be your
My
kids.
children, absolutely, 100%. Oh my God, listen, I'm not a criminal, bro. I'm here. I'm sorry. I will cooperate, whatever it is, what it is. My bad, I'm sorry. It's crazy.
What's your name?
It's her.
My name's Emily. How you doing?
Yeah, it's her.
Where's my What's going on?
I don't have a car.
Okay.
We're 25. We're 25. Not a car, what else?
I like to be honest, bro. Like, it is what it is. I don't
Talk
have a
to
car.
us.
My kids were with me earlier. I got a ride. They did karate over here.
Okay.
I came back. The ride was waiting for me. And I'm here now.
So where are your kids?
With the Uber.
Is there any reason why you just left them?
I didn't leave them.
So explain to me, so your kids were at karate here. From here, you guys got in the Uber.
Correct.
Do you remember what color was the car? Do you remember the body style of the car? White car?
No, listen, like, I get a whole bunch of Ubers, lifts, all the
Okay, so you guys leave here in the Uber. Where was the destination from here?
home.
Did you at any point tell the Uber driver to go somewhere else, a different route?
My phone died.
Okay, but that's not answering my question. At any point, did you tell the Uber driver to deter your route away from your house somewhere else?
No, just my phone was just fucking dead, to be honest with you. I don't mean to like be an asshole or be like mean, but like, yeah, my phone was dead.
Yeah.
But what does that have to do with Uber getting you to your home if he already had your address?
Because I don't have my actual phone, I don't have my car, I'm not in control of my situation. And I'm with my kids. Oh God. Hi, how you doing? You alright? Yeah, baby, go on. I don't know what's going on right now. I'm good.
What's going on is you deserted your kids for 2 hours. That's what's going on.
I'm sorry?
You deserted your kids for 2 hours. That's what's going on.
Listen.
That Uber driver's been sitting with your kids waiting for you to come back for the past 2 hours.
You know what that sounds like? Honestly, like what probably happened, because I don't have my phone. I just fixed my phone.
Why did you get out of the Uber?
Yeah.
No response, no answer for that?
I'm like a human, like, listen.
But you're not answering my question. Why did you get out of the Uber?
You're asking me, my love. Like, I get it, 100%. Listen, like, it's like from morning to nighttime, like, I have to make shit happen for all of them. Because right now I don't have a car, okay? And it sucks. It's not an excuse, but that's me being fucking real, to be honest with you. And it sucks. It sounds stupid, because I should have a car. But yeah, like,
okay.
I don't know what else to tell you, to be honest with you.
Okay.
I'm not trying to be anything. I'm okay.
So you're saying the reason you left them in the Uber is because you don't have a car?
It's not that I don't have a car, it's just my phone died.
Okay.
There was multiple stops. They were here at the karate place. Like, I just
Okay.
I'm like, we're gonna go home. I'm like, I didn't know how to even reach Uber guy or whatever. Because my phone is dead. I don't have the charge. So you guys can
Okay, so I understand and I get that, but I'm having a hard time understanding why you got out of the Uber in the first place. And you're not answering that question for me. Listen, I'm not being an asshole. These are legit answers that we need.
No, those are legit like questionnaires that you should be asking. But listen, I I signed them up for karate. I was here. I don't have a card. I requested an Uber.
Okay.
Okay, we were on transit to go home. My phone died. There was multiple stops. And unfortunately, yes, my kids stayed in the car with the Uber person.
Her kids are everything to her, but the officer doesn't seem to be buying that one.
Listen, I have not done anything wrong. I have no idea what is going on. I'm sorry. I get your job. I get your whole persona. I get it. I feel you. 100%. I'm just a mom. I just want to see I want to go home, to be honest with you. And yes, I felt very vulnerable not knowing where the hell my kids were at. Because my phone was dead. I couldn't reach the guy that was giving me a ride. And it is what it is. That's the truth. That is the honest truth. Like, that is like as real as I could get, to be honest with you. I don't mean to curse, but it is what it is, bro. I have learned to be honest with my And you know what? Yes, it sucks and I know where my kids are at. My kids are everything to me. My life. I signed them up for karate. I don't have a car. I got picked up from my job. Rides here, there, drop them off. It sucks.
Streeter Miranda.
Yeah. Come on. That's everything. All right. The law requires that you be advised of these rights prior to answering any questions or making a statement. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. I'm just reading you your rights.
Okay, wait. Am I being arrested right now?
You're not. No. You're not in handcuffs. Nobody's pulled them out. I just have to read you your rights.
Okay.
Don't.
You're not going nowhere.
You're not free to go.
It's okay. No, I just
sit back down.
No, that's okay.
Just
that's fine.
let me finish, and then we'll get to it.
Right now, I feel very vulnerable for I don't know what.
Just let me finish, and then we can get to talking. Okay?
You're very intimidating.
Emily Sabagal was charged with 2 counts of felony child neglect, no bodily harm. At the time of this recording, the case remains pending. Thanks for watching, everybody. This episode of Law&Crime After Hours was researched, written, and produced by Juliana Battaglia. Video editing is done by Daniel Camacho. I'm Jesse Weber. We'll see you next week.